The 2025 Honda CRF250 is back bigger, bolder, and built to fly. Welcome back to Wheel World, where we bring you the hottest rides and the wildest machines on two wheels. And today we've got something that will get every dirt biker's adrenaline pumping. That's right, the 2025 Honda CRF250 is here, and it's back with a vengeance. More power, more performance, and a high-jumping style that screams pure motocross dominance. Power meets precision, a revamped engine. Let's talk power. Honda didn't just tweak the CRF250's engine, they re-engineered it. The 2025 model features an upgraded 249cc, liquid-cooled, four-stroke engine that delivers more torque in the mid-range and sharper throttle response across the gears. The revamped fuel injection system, improved cam profiles, and lighter internals give the bike a noticeable edge off the line. It's more responsive, more aggressive, and perfectly tuned for track and trail alike. Lighter, stronger, faster. Honda focused on cutting weight while boosting strength. The aluminum frame has been refined, shaving off unnecessary mass while maintaining rigidity. The result? A bike that feels lighter in the air and planted in the corners. The redesigned swing arm and subframe contribute to a better center of gravity, which means more control when you're flying off a jump or railing a berm. Suspension, built to soar. Jumping? Oh yeah, it's got that covered. The 2025 CRF250 comes with Showa 49mm coil spring forks and a Pro-Link rear suspension system that's been dialed in for even more high-speed stability and bottom-out resistance. Riders will immediately notice the difference on the whoops and landings. Whether you're throwing whips or hitting triples, this bike lands like a pro. New look, same racing spirit. The 2025 CRF250 isn't just a performance beast, it looks the part too. With sharper bodywork, bold new graphics, and a sleek red and white race finish, it's clear this bike was made to turn heads on and off the track. The slim profile and improved ergonomics make it easier for riders to shift weight, grip tighter, and feel more connected to the machine. Rider-focused features. Honda also packed in smarter, rider-friendly features. There's a multi-mode launch control system, updated traction management, and a refined ECU to help you customize your power delivery. The handlebar-mounted switch lets you toggle through modes easily, so whether you're on a muddy track or a dry hard pack, the CRF250 adapts with you. A new era of CRF dominance. The message is clear. Honda didn't just bring back the CRF250, they made it better in every way. From the engine upgrades to the jump-ready suspension, the 2025 CRF250 is built for riders who want to push limits and leave the competition in the dust. It's a machine for those who live for the rev, the rush, and the ride. Final thoughts right into the future. If you've been waiting for the next big thing in motocross, your wait is over. The 2025 Honda CRF250